What's up, everyone? My name is Johevis from the Sephora in Miami, Florida. And if you want to learn how to achieve a glowy, dewy, contoured, everyday look, please stay tuned and watch my video. Alright guys, so my eyes are already done and I've already prepped my skin. We're going to go ahead and start off with my dewy, glowy, contoured complexion. So I love to start off with the Supergoop Glow Stick Sunscreen with SPF 50 just because I love to protect myself from the sun. It's great for dry to combination and sensitive skin. So the application process is easy. You can use it to prep your skin and give you that beautiful luminous glow. You can also use it as a highlighter or even on tattoos to give it that really nice dewy finish anywhere where you need the extra hydration. And don't neglect the neck or the back of the ears. We need protection everywhere we can get it. So next we're going to use the Tatcha Silk Canvas Protective Primer. This primer is great for all skin types and it has a solution for dullness, uneven texture, oiliness, and pores. A little bit goes a long way, especially if you have dry skin like mine. So you just rub your fingers on the balm and press it into your skin. And don't forget to put it on your eyes and lips because it also helps there as well. So using a damped beauty blender, I'm going to apply the Nars Illuminator in Copacabana on the high points of my face. This illuminator is beautiful on the décolleté and any areas on the body just to give it that extra beautiful glow. So when I refer to the high points of my face, you want to concentrate on the high cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, and above your eyebrow. So up next, we're going to use the Lancome Skin Feels So Good Skin Nourishing Foundation with SPF 23. And the shade I'm using today is 025 Warm Beige. If you're looking to achieve that dewy, radiant, no makeup, oil-free skin, this is the great product for you. And did I mention it has hyaluronic acid? How much better can it get? Once again, I'm also going to use a damp beauty blender to apply my foundation. So for my concealer and my highlight, I'm going to be using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I first use a lighter color to highlight the high points of my face and accentuate any features that I absolutely love. The shade I'm using is Vanilla, and it's a great universal color for highlighting. And for this step, I'm going to apply it under my eyes, in the middle of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and on my chin to give a highlighted effect. And did I mention this product is also buildable and won't crease? And using my damp beauty blender, I am blending the product into my skin for a seamless, flawless finish. Once again, with my damp beauty blender, I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Hazelnut. I use this guy to give myself a perfect contour and a beautiful bronzy luminous finish. So you're going to want to blend out the contour on the high points of the face, on your hairline, and make sure that you're really blending it out to get that seamless, beautiful, flawless finish. And with this great shade, I also like to contour my nose and blending it in with my damp beauty blender. And don't forget about that hairline. So up next, I'm going to be using the Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. This is a great universal setting powder that's going to ensure that your makeup lasts longer and it gives you a nice bright look. Using brush number 79, I'm only going to use this powder to set on my T-zone where I might get oily throughout the day. I love this brush because it's a multitasking brush that you can use to contour, bronze, and set your makeup. So up next, we're going to add color back into the skin using one of my must-have products, which is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in color Luminous Bronze Light. This bronzer is beautiful because it gives you the perfect luminosity to the skin without making you look too oily, and it gives a beautiful sun-kissed tone. So once again, I'm going to be using brush number 79 to apply my favorite bronzer. And for my blush, I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics Gold Rush Blush. This is one of my favorite blushes because it has that beautiful warmth undertone. I'm going to be applying it on the apples of my cheeks using Sephora Collection brush number 74, which is great for contour and also blush application. So for the icing on the top, we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo. The reason why it's called Freestyle is because you can literally use it everywhere, on your face, on your eyes, on your cheeks, and even on your body. The shade I'm going to be using today is Minted Mojito and Sandcastle. So since I'm keeping my eyes neutral, I'm dipping into the color Sandcastle to keep my makeup more uniformed. So the reason why this is one of my favorite highlighters is because once it hits the skin, it just gives you that beautiful, dewy, luminous finish that not every highlighter can do for you. So up next, we're going to be using the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Highlighter and Balm Duo. In color golden, this is a backstage secret that delivers the perfect glow and dewiness back into the skin after using any powder product. Gently glide it on effortlessly. I'll be using my damp beauty blender and patting it on the high points of my face. This product has hyaluronic acid that adds hydration back into the skin, aloe vera, and argan oil. This product can be used directly on the skin or by using a damp beauty blender. What I love about it most is that it has two sides to it. One side being absolutely clear, which adds the shine and the dewiness, and the other side having that luminosity and highlighting effect. So next I'm going to be using the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. This is one of my favorite products that I cannot live without. It's going to add hydration back into the skin. It's great for all skin types. It gives a beautiful silky finish, and you can't go wrong with a beautiful luminous look. So there you have it, guys, my contour dewy glowy complexion look. If you'd like to watch more videos like this one, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Bye!